I'm about to teach you the best makeup lesson of your life. Whether it's black eyeshadow underneath your eyes, wonky eyeliner, I'm about to teach you 6 makeup artist secrets so you can fix it. This trick is the best in the book, the thing that us makeup artists use the most. You get ready for a date night, you're putting on your mascara, and then suddenly it transfers onto your eyelid. How do I get this off without ruining my eyeshadow? If you pick up a wet wipe, I'm coming for you. It's going to remove any eyeshadow that you've already put on your eye. If you do not want to disturb your eyeshadow but want to take off the mascara transfer, the first thing you should do is leave it completely dry. Do not touch it. Go and make a coffee. Go and de-stress. If it's moist at all, this trick is not going to work. The second step is to grab a spoolie. They are also called mascara wands. Wiggle your mascara wand back and forth over the mascara transfer. It's important for you to go both directions on this. This will change your life because you will never be worried about mascara transferring onto your eye anymore. You're now topping up your eyeshadow and you suddenly realize that there's black all underneath your eye. This is what you're gonna do. When I say drench your face in Fix Plus, I mean you need to feel wet. Put some micellar water on a cotton pad or a tissue. Then you're gonna wipe the excess, but you need to use a new piece of the tissue every time you wipe it so that you're not putting any black eyeshadow onto your skin. Once you've wiped off all of the black eyeshadow, then you're gonna drench your face again with Fix Plus. You wanna put moisture back into the skin because your skin's probably dried out. Then go in with the smallest amount of foundation. You can just use the excess on your brush if you want to. Now you can add your powder underneath your eye to set and everything will be okay. You're going to after work drinks and you're applying your mascara again, but it's suddenly gone really clumpy and dry, making your lashes look like spider lashes. This technique is going to refresh your mascara and make it look brand new. Grab some micellar water and put it on a dry tissue, and you want to rub the micellar water onto your lashes, taking away any mascara clumps. Then whilst it's still wet, you can reapply your mascara and it'll look really defined and less clumpy than before. Ready for your night out, after work drinks, whatever it may be. We're halfway through. I've saved the best till last, so let's go. You've got a new blush and you didn't realize it was so pigmented, so you've put way too much on your face. This is how you're gonna fix it. Starting off by drenching your face with Fix Plus. You know the drill. The Fix Plus activates the powder products to make them more malleable. Then you're gonna apply a medium to full coverage foundation on your brush and define underneath your cheekbones and underneath your eye so that you can get it into a place where it's just a bit more defined on your cheek. And then you want to set it with a pressed powder to make sure it's all compact and stays where it should be. Sometimes I'm prone to be heavy-handed and I've done this a few times and this trick has absolutely saved me. If you suffer from wonky eyeliner syndrome, then this is for you. This tip is actually one of the best tips I've ever learned in my makeup artist journey. Quite often we do our eyeliner and one side is like a blob compared to the other side. This is how you're gonna fix it. You can either take a cotton bud, which is pointed at the end, or a sharp flat brush. You're gonna drench it with micellar water, of course, our lifesaver, and then you're gonna use the brush to remove any of the black that you don't want on your eyeliner. That means going underneath, or maybe you need to get rid of the length, whatever that might be. You need to keep using a tissue to dab off the excess that you're taking off, else it's gonna go back on your eye. Keep going back and forth. I know it's a bit of a pain, but once you get into the habit, it's so easy. Once you've removed the black and you've got the shape you want, grab a concealer brush that has a flat end. You're gonna use that to drag out the eyeliner. This is the best tip ever because it really creates a beautifully pointed flick. I like to use my fingers just to blend all of the outsides. When I'm working in TV, I do this all the time because we're so short of time. We have like 10 minutes to do a full face of makeup. Remember, you can save this video and come back to it at any time when you need it the most. If you want me to do a second video of this, I've got many more where this came from. What mistakes do you struggle with the most and what do you need help with? Hit the subscribe button if you want more of me on your homepage, and I will see you in the next one.